Are you thinking about starting a side hustle but feel stuck because of limited funds? You're not alone. Many people believe they need money to begin, but the truth is you can start with what you already have, your skills, your time, and your motivation. Let's dive into how to turn your abilities into income without spending a dime. First, identify the skills you already possess. These skills don't have to be complex. They can be simple tasks like writing, editing, managing social media, or providing virtual support. Think about what you do well that others may struggle with. Instead of waiting to become an expert, embrace what you know and focus on refining those skills while gaining experience. Next, where do you find your first clients without any monetary investment? Free platforms like social media groups and freelancing sites are perfect for this. You don't need a fancy website or paid ads to make your mark. Clearly present your skills, how you can solve problems, and start attracting clients. Don't hesitate to reach out to potential clients directly. Offering to help with a small task can be the first step towards earning. Now, let's discuss pricing your services. This part can seem daunting. Start with a small fee that feels fair for your efforts. Remember, your initial clients are helping you build credibility. Even a modest charge shows that your work has value and encourages client commitment. As you deliver results and collect positive feedback, gradually increase your rates alongside your growing confidence and reputation. The goal of your side hustle should be to turn those initial small gigs into consistent income. Focus on delivering quality work, communicating well, and making your clients' lives easier. When clients see that you can reliably solve their problems, they are likely to return for more work. This creates a solid foundation and leads to a stable income stream, reducing the stress of constantly seeking new clients. In conclusion, starting a side hustle with zero capital is all about taking action, utilizing your skills, and nurturing relationships. With determination and focus, small beginnings can blossom into meaningful and sustainable income streams. So, what are you waiting for? Take the leap. Start your side hustle journey today. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides.